all done. Enjoy, Kylie Kendricks.
Did you just use the green pump?
Yeah,
You know, green's diesel, right?
diet gas, yeah. Kylie Kendricks and I are on an all-green diet, so I've only been eating green all week to be really healthy.
You know she won't run again, right?
She doesn't need to. We're on a low-impact workout routine. I don't want her cortisol levels to flare up. We've been strictly doing really slow movement-based workouts like Pilates and yoga. I already feel the stretch and the difference in my body. It's going great. I've cut out all water because it's not green. And I'm doing the same thing for Kylie. I'm cutting out all non-green entities from her life. I've been really trying hard to stay healthy.
That's not what being green is about.
I know that's not the only thing that being green is about, which is why I use the green pump, because I'm all about reduce, reuse, and recycle. They recycled the dinosaurs by composting them to make the oil that my car used. So we're just being extra healthy around here and eco-friendly. I'm really trying to be a lot healthier. Like, I've only drank Mountain Dew, eaten green M&Ms, sour cream and onion Pringles, and Lucky Charm marshmallows, and green gum. My body is already feeling so much better. I can feel such a difference, and I just want Kylie to experience that too. And I know it might be a little bit more expensive, but that's just a sacrifice that I'm willing to make in my pocketbook to be able to make Kylie feel a little bit better.